Maya padaya po mga kabalen, magandang umaga po sa inyo lang. On a sunny weather, 28 degrees outside. Nandito po tayo sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. Mga ilang araw na lang ay matatapos na ang ating napakahabang elimination round that started since November 5. And of course, these two teams, kasama na po dyan ng ABE ABE Team PANYULONG FLORIDABLANCA, will try to get going. Gayon din ang Santa Ana Unite, both of them at the middle of the game standings. Mamaya explain natin sa'yo. But first, let's have these games at hand. First game natin, i-cover ko po yan ngayon. Santa Ana Unite versus ABE ABE Team PANYULONG FLORIDABLANCA. Second game, Angeles City Red Warriors at Level Up Lubao after this. 1 p.m. we have Mambalacat City FCG Cares versus Mayungporak. Fourth game is 1 Magalang versus Municipality of Arayat. And the last game for today at 5, Guagua tulog-tulog tayo at 1 sa Smuan. Magandang umaga po ang inyong lingkod. Ryan Paro po lamang broadcasting you for SLA Sports Production. And of course, huwag niyo pong kalimutan i-like and share ang ating mga social media platforms. Facebook.com/PampanggaPIO, Public Information Office. At gayon din sa YouTube, Pampanga PIO, at gayon din ang Sinag Liga TV. Now, let's look in once again our tournament format to get going. Ano yung mangyayari right after the elimination round? Nakita natin yan sa screens. So, on elimination round, 2 groups po yan, bracket A and bracket B, 12 teams and 11 teams, or 11 teams and 10 teams respectively. Single round robin, top 8 teams will advance. Top 4 teams will have a twice to beat advantage. Round of 8 po yan sa quarterfinals. Meron pa tayong quarterfinal 2. Crossover of group A and B. Semifinals, single round robin. Top 2 teams will advance to the finals. At yung best of 3 championship yan, and top 3 and 4 will be battle for third place. And of course, FLORIDABLANCA, ang key players na makikita natin dyan. Rather, Santa Ana Unite, ang isa pang kailangan natin makita dito is yung performance ni Raquel Miranda Fanda. Superb game last time. Let's see kung magtutuloy-tuloy yan. Team standings, ipasadahan natin. Angeles City Bracket A, number 1, 6 wins, 0 loss. Palitay Level, 6-1. Ingbayong Mexico, 5-3. San Simon, 4-4. Santa Rita, 3-3. Mambalacat, 3-4. Mayungporak, 3 wins, 4 loss. Lubao, 3-3. Magalang, 2-4. Bacolod, 2-5. Arayat, 0-6. Sa bracket B, ang nangunguna, FLORIDABLANCA, 7-1. Guagua, 6-2. Macabebe, 5-2. United Tomasion Balls, 4-3. Minalin, 4-2. Santa Ana, 3-3. Masantol, 3-5. San Fernando, 3-3. 1-6 ang Candaba, and wala pa rin panalong sa Smuan in 6 outings. So, coming up next, this is it, our first game of 5. It will be Santa Ana versus FLORIDABLANCA. Ipasa na natin sa ating venue announcer, Ram Valid. Please, Ram, introduce our starting 5.
Good morning once again, basketball fans and Delta Cup fans. We're coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by the coverage partner Sinag Liga Asia. We're also live at Pampanga PIO FB page and YouTube channel. This is our first game for today, the battle between Santa Ana Unite and ABE ABE King PANYULONG FLORIDABLANCA. And now let's meet the starting lineup for both teams. First for Santa Ana Unite. Starting at guard number 7, Lloyd Peña. Also at guard number 11, Raquel Miranda. At forward number 2, Aizon Villa. Also at forward number 6, Ethan Santiago. And center number 4, Vincent Soliman. Santa Ana Unite is led by Coach Michael Castro. Assistant coaches Joanna Mayune, Alian Erica Ginto, and Eugene Nicolas. Your Santa Ana Unite. And now let's meet the starting lineup for your ABE ABE King PANYULONG FLORIDABLANCA. Point guard number 17, Harvey Salvador. Shooting guard number 13, Shaq Orina. Small forward number 25, Aldrin Serrano. Also power number 12, Kurt Reyes. And center number 26, Bert Lyer. Head coach for ABE ABE King Panyulong Floridablanca is Vince Patrick Igban. Assistant coach Jason Sondiam. Your Florida Blanca. Game officials charged in action. Dennis Escaros, John Lisiges, and Andro Publico. This is your
Pasadaan natin yung starting five for Santa Ana at guard Miranda Peña. Sa forward naman si Villa Santiago, center Soliman. Floridablanca naman at guard Salvador and Serrano. Sa forward naman is si Kurt Reyes and Shaq Corina. Center is John Lyle. Referees for this ball game, Dennis Escaros, John Lisiges, and Andrew Publico. Let's get started for our first game. It's Santa Ana versus Floridablanca. We are underway. Reviewin natin yung mga previous games. Sa Floridablanca, nanalo sila against Masantol in a very close one, 70-68. I covered that first game. At doon naman sa kabila, Santa Ana, natalo sila ng just 6 points against Minalin, 78-84. Ibig sabihin, both teams, pwede silang manalo at any given cost. White-colored uniforms ng Santa Ana, Floridablanca wearing in green. At ito na yung fast break para sa Floridablanca. That time, almost taken away. They have 16 seconds on the shot clock. Ito na sila, the big guy. Has superior height, but on his handle is suspect because sumundot doon si Wakal Miranda. And that's a first turnover to the ball game. Ito na, Santa Ana siya mag-titimon. Ito si Miranda, the point guard. Binigay kay Lloyd Peña. Balik kay Miranda with 15 on the shot clock. Miranda swinging out on the left side. 12 seconds to shoot. Here's the drive. And that was taken away. Nice steal there by Shaq Corina. Corina going all the way, Jose, and it gets the first field goal of the ball game. 2-0 is the count. A minute gone by, starting first quarter. Paalala natin sa mga Delta Cup at sa ating SLA. I will only cover just one game for today. I have important activity this afternoon after this. Back shot there by Floridablanca. But they bungled that possession with another turnover. So kailangan nila talaga ditong pwede din sila magmadali pero they need to take care of that basketball well enough. Soliman nasa kanabagi ng court. Low post play, pump fake. Intended pass to Soliman, almost a turnover for the white shirts. Miranda with a great crossover, goes for it, drops it up to his teammate. Air balls not shot. Put back inside the paint, it's good for Ison Villa. First field goal for the white shirts. Tabla tayo sa dos. Almost 8 minutes remaining. 2 minutes gone by in this first quarter. So both teams are very successful in their half-court set but not on the fast break. Wala pa silang nai-score ng fast break points. Salvador, Harvey Salvador, the skipper for Floridablanca. 8 seconds to shoot. Screen by Layog. There's the drive, the hop, the fake, the drop, the reverse, and it's good! Oh! Musngi dumurot sa ilalim. And that's a foul. Kurt Reyes pala yan. Ang tinawagan ng foul ay si Ison Villa. So Kurt Reyes misses the 3-point play opportunity. So 2 points na po para kay Kurt Reyes. Correction lang. Okay. 4-2, Floridablanca. 7.5 remaining first quarter. Miranda nanghanap na mapapasahan. Miranda still has the letter. 10 seconds to shoot. Low post play from the baseline. 7 to shoot. There's the jump shot. It does not work. Oh, nice tap. Nice tap. First field goal for the big guy, Vincent Soliman, the center for Santa Ana. Tabla tayo sa 4. That's our first deadlock. All right, the white shirts now, or the green shirts. Spread out offense para sa kanila. Thought about a 3 inside pass. Uy, nabitawan ng bola. Almost blessing in disguise, but Reyes bungled that opportunity. Ito na yung fast break attempt. Santa Ana. 4-on-3 situation. The hang time mode didn't pay off. Layo clears the board for the green shirts. At eto na si Harvey Salvador. Siya nagtitimon. The zip pass inside. That time, he travels. Aldrin Serrano. 6 minutes and 36 remaining in the first quarter. Yan po ang head coach ng ABE ABE King Panluyong Floridablanca. That's Vince Ikban. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Parang masasabi yung ABE King. Dating ano yun? Dating PBA player. PBA great. Now living in America. Serrano for the green shirts. Fires a three-point shot. No good. Rebound controlled by the white shirts, Lloyd Peña. Pinasa uli sa point guard, Wakil Miranda, the Wak. Here's Lloyd. Backcourt combo there. Soliman, sidestep inside. Knocked away by Lion. It will stay in the backyard. Santa Ana, meron sila 12 seconds on the shot clock. Almost 4 minutes gone by starting first quarter. Looking for a cross-court pass. Here it comes. Oh, great rejection by Layog. Harvey Salvador on a fast play. Instead, he will fire a three-point shot. That's no bite, and there's going to be a loose ball foul against Floridablanca. That will be meted against Kurt Reyes, his first personal. That will be the very first foul in the ball game. At ito na ang rather it's a first foul on Santa Ana. Kanina pala yung na-foul si Ison Villa. Okay, check that. 16 to shoot for Santa Ana. They swing it out. Here's the jumper from 20. Wala. Put back. Ayaw pa rin. Third serving for Santa Ana. They have no numbers. Nilabas mo ng bola. They swing it around on the left side. 8 seconds to shoot. Right down the baseline. Nilabas kay Soliman. 5 seconds to shoot. Here it comes. The drive. And they run out of shot clock. It is a shot clock violation. Tabla tayo sa 4. 5 and 10 remaining in first. Serrano fires. Nothing. Rebound control for Santa Ana. Fernanda. Here's the drive. Nice pump fake. Soliman with a fadeaway. Oh, beautiful. He eluded 3 defenders on that. 6-4. Floridablanca, 2-point lead. More than halfway house of the first quarter. 4 minutes and 40. Love played out. Sabi ni Harvey Salvador. 10 on the shot clock. Here's Harvey. 7 to shoot. Drives to his left. Binangga. At may foul na tinawagan. It will be up against Miranda. His first personal. Let's see that again. 2 pump fakes. And Soliman says, akin na to. Take that. And Alquero will check in right now para sa Floridablanca. Clyde Alquero for ABE ABE Panluyong Floridablanca. This is mga mahabang pangalan ng isang team sa Delta Cup. ABE ABE Panluyong Floridablanca. Kahabang sabihin. 2 free throws made by Harvey Salvador. First 2 points of the ball game. We're tied at 6. So Harvey has 2, Shaq has 2, Kurt Reyes 2. Sa kabila naman sa Tana, Ison Villa with 2, Vince Soliman with 4. Pretty good ball game. Miranda, knock away. Last touch on his heel. Goes out of bounds. Babalik ang bola para sa Floridablanca. Shakurina brings down the letter. Kaya Shakurina kasi ang talagang real name niya, Shaquille, no? Sabihin yung kanya magulang idol na idol nila si Shaquille O'Neal. Kita-kita naman. 4 minutes remaining, first quarter. Serrano drives to his left. The drop. Alquero converts. 8-6 Floridablanca. Uy, sa likod natin, ha? Maraming mamakukulit na bata talagang gustong manood ng basketball. Anyway, Sunday is a family day, and why not? They're always welcome here at BREN Convention Center. Free admission ito. Uy! Nung alley-oop sana ni Miranda, tumama sa ring. Hindi rin tumama yung offensive rebound. Third serving. Sapal ni Layog. Second block for Layog. But that ball was taken away by Miranda. Counter steal. Counter fast break. It will not work. Or it will work rather. As we have a +1 play for Santa Ana. Balahadja with the basket. And that's a foul on Layog. Great pumping. It's a first personal on John Layog. So this is the backup center for Santa Ana, Balahadja. Alain Francis Balahadja is complete name. Careful aim. He gets it to go. Meron tayong substitution para sa Santa Ana. Raymond Ignacio checks in para kay Soliman. Good account for Soliman. 4 points. And it's 6 minutes of playing time, or almost 7 minutes of playing time. Tabla tayo sa 8, our second deadlock of the ball game. 3 minutes to go. Or rather, third deadlock kanina. Oy! 3-point shot. 3-point shot pumasok. Shaq Orina already at 5 points. And it's now 11-8. 2 minutes and 49 remaining. Lamang po ng 3 puntos ang ABE ABE King Panluyong Florida Blanca. Low post play. The turnaround. It works. Balahadja has 5 points. Instant offense off the bench. We're tied at 11. That's our 4th deadlock. From the corner, Shaq Orina, 3-point shot. Hindi siya makakagawa ng pangalawa, pero Layog to the rescue for the stick back. 13-11. Florida Blanca up by 2 points. Approaching the 2-minute mark starting first quarter. Spread out offense for the white shirts. Looking for an opening inside the paint. It will not happen. There's a steal by Serrano. 4-2 fast break. Shaq Orina, pinahirapan lang depensa at nakakuha siya ng foul. And the foul will be meted against Lawrence Medrano, his first personal. Fair time substitution para for both teams. Upo muna sa Salvador. Papasok si Harold Lopez. Upo naman si Villa at papasok naman si Musni. 2 free throws now for the defended party. First free throw is no good para kay Shaq Orina. 5 points. 1 3-point shot, 1 inside incursion. And this is his first trip to the free throw line. And he splits. 6 points, Shaq Orina. To lead all scorers for Florida Blanca. 14-11. Pretty close ball game in the first quarter. This is just first game of 5. The next 4 games will be covered by Penelope Wilhelmia. She will cover all 4 of them for you. Nice inside foray. John Muskie. 14-13. So Muskie now has 4 points. We have a loose ball foul. So ang foul matatawagan ay kay Harold Lopez, his first personal. So Balahadja at 5, Soliman at 4, Muskie at 4. Or Muskie had 2 rather, and Villa with 2. Total of 13 points. Unsuccessful offensive transfer, Santa Ana. Fast break in the works for the green shirts. It will not happen, but there's Layog again for another rescue job. Offensive rebound and a stick back. 4 points for Layog, 4 points and 2 rebounds. Talaga alam ito si Layog, parang napapansin ko sa laro ni Layog, parang siyang Freddy Abuda, the scavenger, always at the right place at the right time for those garbage points. And again, second consecutive turnover for Santa Ana. Unsuccessful of that potential fast break. Kaya po mag-i-inbound po sa baseline ang Florida Blanca. 14 on the shot clock. Just a shade under a minute remaining. Ito na ang Florida Blanca. Ito si Shaq Orina. Minti sa kanyang 3-point country. Stick back is no good. Likewise for Clyde Alquero. And now Santa Ana will bring it down the basketball. Ito na si Medrano, right down the baseline. Nasarahan ng pintuan, pinahirapan. Nakabingwit siya ng foul nonetheless. And readily acknowledged the foul is Kyle Alquero, his first personal. And Medrano will shoot 2 free throw. That's Lawrence Medrano. Remember this guy, Lawrence Medrano? I think just 2 months ago, he scored 11 points and pulled down 8 rebounds as best player honors. Noong December pa, matagal-tagal na yan. But since then, Medrano's offense is non-existent. Kaya ngayon gusto niya makabawi. However, 2 free throws unsuccessful para kay Medrano. Half a minute remaining. Oh, muntik naman. Ayun, tinawagan siya ng traveling. Ayun. Alam niyo po, pag ako'y nagbe-venue announcer sa Sinagligasya, yun yung aking signature, traveling. At ang long buzzer na po, ang ibig sabihin niyan, meron po tayong timeout. Florida Blanca 16, Santa Ana 30. Back to live action here in GUIAO Convention Center. Let's focus our attention on the team standings of these two teams. Yung Florida Blanca po, meron na silang 7-1. They are the number 1 team in bracket B. Santa Ana naman is on the middle pack of the team standing. They are number 6, 3-3. So it's a must-win for Santa Ana to keep them on the top 8. Yan ang ating konting pasada sa ating team standings. Balik tayo sa action. We're just under 20 seconds to go. Santa Ana, 3 successive stands. Again, live po tayo dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is the heart of Central Luzon basketball. This place 20 years ago, 25 years ago, was devastated by Mount Pinatubo. But with the efforts of the late GUIAO and the Pineda clan, this has been turned. Mali pa yung last name. Letter P yan. Ryan Pajaro. Ako po si Ryan Paro. Hindi po letter F, letter P. Basket. It's good for Manalang. 1 second to go. They need to put it up. Block! Diyan po nagtatapos ng ating first quarter. Anyway, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. May ko-correct natin yan. Pero, ipakita muna natin direct ang ating mga first quarter highlights for you. Let's take a look. Here is the putback by Santa Ana. And of course, fast break finish by Shaq Orina. Then yung hook shot, pumasok para kay Sean Musngi. And the 3-point bomb explosion by Shaq Orina. Those are the highlights of the first quarter. Ang ating big score, Santa Ana 13, Florida Blanca 18 after 1 quarter play. Back to live action at BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Huwag na pong kakalimutan na i-like and share our Facebook page at facebook.com/PampanggaPIO and also on YouTube channel Pampanga PIO and Sinag Liga TV. As we start the second quarter, let's review the lineups for Santa Ana. We have Balahanja, we have Maniago, we have Lloyd Peña, and also that dish inside almost made it. Yan si Sean Musngi. At gayon din si number 9, Raymond Ignacio. Meron tayong foul away from the play. And that particular foul needs a review. Tingnan natin sa replay kung ano nangyari. Ito yung drop pass. Ito yung tira from the rebound. Whoop! Uy! Maybe a hard foul there by Balahanja. But the referees will review if that particular foul can be upgraded to unsportsmanlike foul or something. Well, they're gonna decide now. It is an unsportsmanlike foul, and that's a category or criteria 2. That's a what you call excessive hard contact for number 18 player. That's Alain Francis Balahanja. That only be his first personal. And we have the head coach of Santa Ana, Michael Castro, issued a warning for continuous complaining. Medyo uminit na po ang action dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. First free throw for Layog is good. And they will have possession after that free throw. Si Layog, Lopez. We also have Manalang. We also have number 13 player, that's Shaq Orina. And Troy Lugtu in the lineup for Florida Blanca. 14 shot clock. Game is getting intense. This is only the first game of 5. Ito na si Manalang. 8 seconds to go on the shot clock. 5 to shoot. Manalang momentarily open. He fires a 3-point shot. Bangs it in! He bangs a 3. And instantly, Santa Ana needs to talk things over. They are now down by 10 points. 23-13. 5-0 run. Remember that? 5-0 run by Florida Blanca. From an 18-13 count in the first quarter, now it's 23-13. Papatuloy po ang yung Delta Cup dito sa BREN Convention Center. Ang yung pong commentator, Ryan Pajaro, coming to you live from Facebook. Oy, salamat sa 3 hearts. Yes naman. Ayan, oh. Thank you. I love too. I love you all. We're enjoying this moment here dito sa BREN Convention Center. Pampanga PIO po. Live tayo sa Facebook and YouTube. Samantala, here's the jump shot. Ignacio. Yes, sir. First free go there for Raymond Ignacio. At least Santa Ana can make headway for this free go. But look at this. Florida Blanca fastening its pace. Too strong yung tira ni Lopez. And ball possession changed to the white shirts. Miranda to Ignacio's home run. Oh, ito na. Basketball spurts na tayo. 4-0 naman ang Santa Ana. Lopez play na for Florida Blanca. Naghanap sila ng magmasugid na opensa. They need to stop the momentum of Santa Ana. They scored for unanswered. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Lopez on the outside. Lopez makes his move. There's a screen by Layug. Lopez goes for the finger roll. With Lopez. First bucket for him in a spectacular fashion. 8.5 minutes remaining for second quarter of action. 25-17. Matikit ang depensa ni Shakurina and he will be met with a foul. First personal lamang kay Shakurina. No players yet for both teams had 2 fouls, but take a look at this. Home run by Ignacio off the assist by Miranda. And on the other side, the finger roll by Harold Lopez on your slow-mo replay. 19 to shoot. Cross-court pass. Jump shot on its way. Bingo. Ignacio, 6 points. 25-19. The lead is down to 6. At nagpe-press dito sa Santa Ana United. That pass, slightly tapped by Santiago. Stay with the backyard of Florida Blanca. And they have 17 seconds on the shot clock. It's the inbound for the green shirts of Florida Blanca. Lopez, inside incursion. Pumping. Layo was smothered. And it will be called for traveling. This time naman, napahiya si Layog. 3 pumain sa kanya. Dikit na sapa. 25-19, 7 minutes and 45. Second quarter of action. And Delta Cup Sunday is going to be a family day. We expect a lot of families will be coming here at the BREN Convention Center because this is a free admission. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Right down the baseline. Nothing there. Battle for the rebound. Won by the white shirts. Here's the offensive. Oh! Layog got a bit of foul, but like I said, ay! Akala ko kumpleto yung tapal ko pero foul pala. And yes, the referee will be issued a warning on Layog for resentment to call. Kita-kita yan ni John Lusigas. Kita niyo, could have been a tapal pero there's contact upstairs. And yes, Layog will be called for the warning for resentment to a call. First free throw is good para kay Ison Villa. So that's a 7:24 mark. Tinawagan si Bert Layog ng warning for the 7-2 call. Split charities. Uy, 3 bumagsak. And now Florida Blanca has the basketball. Tayog inside the paint. Ilabas muna kay Lopez. 18 to shoot. Lopez will slow down the tempo. Right down the baseline. Wala mapasahan. Ilabas muna. 10 seconds to shoot. Harold Lopez has it. Lopez goes wide. Drives hard to the hole. Finger wall. That won't work. Tip it. It's good! Lucky break for Kerwin Manansala. Tips it in, and the lead is back to 7. 27-20 with 6 minutes 49, second quarter. Yan ang drum roll natin ng Santa Ana. Here's the jump shot on its way. Wala. Para for the rebound. Nakuha ng Florida Blanca. Inside. The fall away is no good. A bit too strong that time. And Lopez getting the offensive rebound. Got 10 seconds to shoot now. Mandalang, heads up play. Shot clock down to 5. There's a baseline drive. There's the cut. And there's a foul upstairs. It could be foul against Peña. Oh, check that. It's not Santiago's foul. Let's see that again. Swerte tipin. Yun ang swerte, oh. Kasi itatap lang naman yun eh. Gusto niya itap yun sa teammate for a possible offensive yun. Pero tinapik ni Manansala right on the go. We have Santiago and Peña will be going to the bench for a brief rest as we have a failure on Manansala's free throw. Kerwin Manansala. Manansala now has 2 points to his credit. Missed both free throws. Fast break. That's a great pass. Great pass by Soliman. Easy bucket again for Raymond Ignacio. The lead is down to 5, 27-22, approaching the 6-minute mark of the second quarter. Ito na si Rene Menalang. Sabi niya, dandan muna tayo. Play 0. Spread out offense. Ang layong 3-point shot, Manala from 30. It's out. At meron tayong loose ball foul. Ang matatawagan ay si John Tayag. First personal. Check natin ang team fouls. Tatlong team foul ng Florida Blanca at meron ng dalawa Santa Ana. Later than halftime, hihimayin natin ang ating halftime analysis with some highlights and some leading scores mamaya-maya. Here's Miranda, splitting the defense of the triple team. Right down the baseline, inside the paint, too strong. Sa tira ni Balahantia. Fast break in the works for Florida Blanca. Manansala, sidestep. Batted away by Villa. It will stay in the backyard for Florida Blanca with 19 on the shot clock. RB Salvador checks back in after a 5-minute rest. Yan. Papalitan niya si Rene Manalang who has 5 points. Right down the baseline inbound. He picks up the pass. Outside to Gregorio. Matik-matikit ang depensa ng Santa Ana sa loob. Nilabas nila muna. Harvey with 10 to shoot. Gregorio, the swinging around on the left side. Lopez open for 3 on the corner. Ayaw. Miranda will bring it up for Santa Ana. Here's Balahaja with a stretch. 7 points for Alain. And that's the cue for Santa Ana to call time, but not without this highlight. We can have some highlights of that last basket. Ating score, 24-27. Take a look at this. Balahaja stretch. We're exactly on the halfway point of the second quarter, 5 minutes, and so far, Balahaja of Santa Ana catch fire with 7 markers. And tingnan natin ang Florida Blanca kung sila'y makakabawi. They have tasted a 10-point lead and now it's evaporated to just 3. From the corner, 3-point shot, ayaw. Rebound controlled pa rin ng Florida Blanca. Here's the jump shot made! Kerwin Manansala makes up to his own miss. The lead is back to 5, 29-24. Soliman, Fontalaso to the basket. Didn't pay off. He passed it out outside. Pump fake. Balahaja once again. Inside the cushion, no, but there's Soliman for the stick back. Vince Soliman with 6 points. And they get the steal. Balahaja was rejected. Soliman couldn't get the rescue job. He pushed a little bit. Still in vain. Oh, sorry, misses for Soliman. 3-on-2 pass break. Manansala. Back to Salvador. It's going to be a foul. Duty foul by Miranda. Ang personal foul na yan ni Raquel Miranda. That's a mad sequence. Those sorry misses by Santa Ana. That's 3 misses on those 4 offensive rebounds. As Lopez checks out para sa ABE ABE Panluyong Florida Blanca. And Serrano checks back in. That's Aldrin Serrano, still scoreless at this point. Upo muna si Tayag. First 14 for the green shirts. Looking for a cutter. Here's the one-handed shot. That didn't drop. The putback is no good. At ito na, si Vince Soliman brings it up for the white shirts of Santa Ana. They're just down by 3 points. Less than 4 minutes remaining in this second quarter. 3-point bomb on the right side of the court. No explosion. Orina gets it to go. Or is that Orina? Sorry, it's Ron Justin David. First field goal. 29-28. 3 minutes and 35 remaining in the second quarter. Serrano from the left quarter court. Air balls that three-point shot, pero ang kanyang teammate nakakuha ng offensive rebound. The bounce pass from the cut. Salvador na ipit, pero he gets 2 free throws because of that foul. Ang matatawagan ay si Ron David, first personal. So makikita niyo yung mga point guards natin. Pagka talagang silang talagang ipipilit na yung mga tira, and more over than that, nakakabingwit sila ng foul. However, take a look at this. Yun, pinilit talaga ni Salvador, pero lucky for him, he gets the ball. But unlucky for him, he missed those free throws. Yun yung tinatawag na lucky-unlucky. 29-28. It's a 1-point lead right now for Floridablanca. Santa Ana's knocking on the door to take that lead away, but they threw the ball away. They threw that possession away. Team foul pictures now. Santa Ana meron ng 14 fouls on the brink of penalty. Ang Floridablanca meron ng 3 team fouls. You can see that. Makikita niyo yung mga red bars dyan sa ilalim ng ating scoreboard. Yun ang team foul situation for both teams. Pag naka-5 na, ibig sabihin penalty. Ito, fast break Santa Ana. Soliman couldn't get it. Put back, rejected. Kind of fast break for Floridablanca. Here's Manansala, 3-on-2 situation. Nice batted away job there by Mark Maniago to prevent that fast break finish. Nakakit na sa ating lower section ng Lubao. They will be up next. And Penelope Wilhelmia will cover that for you the next 4 games of the Delta Cup Sunday. Of course, powered by Sinag Liga Asia Sports Production, SLA Production. Gregorio. Here's Serrano on the left wing, approaching the 2-minute mark of this second period. Drop pass, Gregorio puts it up, it's out. And there's going to be a loose ball foul. Penalty situation na for Santa Ana. And Ron David will be called for the loose ball foul. Second personal for Ron David. And free throws now for Floridablanca. Missed shot by Clyde Alquero. Clyde Alquero now has 2 points. Make that 3. And the lead is 2 points. Opo muna si David. At ang papasok para sa Santa Ana ay si Edward Santos. First appearance for him. 2 minutes and 19. Here's Soliman. Assert himself. Nowhere to go. They kick it out. Balahadja. Bigger guy against Salvador. Can't execute. Almost a steal by Salvador, but Salvador was caught himself, his hand on a cookie jar. That's a reach-in foul there by Harvey Salvador. Unang foul pa lamang ni Harvey. And more importantly, Floridablanca now on team penalty situation. 14 foul. The next foul will be free throws. Approaching the 2-minute mark of this second quarter. Balahadja baseline drive. Those shot in the space against 3. Can't make it. And exactly 2 minutes now. Slow fast break there. Here's Serrano. Picks up speed. Drops it up. Salvador. Gets it to go. No. Basket will not count. There's going to be an offensive foul. Meron tayong offensive foul sa ni referee Andrew Publico. That's going to be an offensive foul on Aldrin Serrano. First personal. Minute and 39. Balahadja right down the base. Clobbered. Second time around that Balahadja has denied access. 3-on-1 fast break. Serrano converts. First field goal for Serrano. And just like that, Floridablanca reaping heads above water. It's a 4-point lead, 32-28. Minute and 15 a second. Post-court pass. Balahadja once again. Taken away by Harvey Salvador. Fast break, it works. 4-on-2 situation. The bounce pass. And it was telegraphed. Man scramble. And it's going to be a jump ball. Ball possession will stay for Floridablanca. That possession now. We have a substitution on the floor para sa Santa Ana. And it will be Kurt Reyes. I'm sorry, it's Sean Muski checks in. Manansala on the right wing. Line to shoot, Salvador. Uncorks from downtown. Bullseye! 5 points. I'm sorry, it's five points for Harvey Salvador. 35 to 28, 39 ticks to go in this second quarter. On the outside, Soliman with a pump fake. Tight pass from the corner. 8 on the shot clock. Soliman has it. 6 to shoot inside. Pump fake. That time there's a foul. There's a foul downstairs. It's going to be a foul against Glenn Gregorio's first personal foul. Penalty situation in effect. And Santos will take 2. And his complete name is Edward Sheen Santos. Edward Sheen Santos. Good stroke, good release. First point of the ball game for him, for Edward. Importante dito sa Santa Ana, wag silang makalayo dahil remember, Florida Blanca, majority of the wins of Florida Blanca, they always break away in the second quarter. And an instant timeout given up by Florida Blanca. They're up by 5, 35-30 with 27.7 seconds remaining in the second quarter.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan, Sinag Liga Asia Under 19. That will be coming on March. Like us on Facebook here to watch more games of Delta Cup at Pampanga PIO. Also on YouTube at Pampanga PIO and also at Sinag Liga TV. 5-point lead for ABE ABE King Panluyong Florida Blanca. Kahaba ng pangalan. 27 seconds remaining. 2-4-1 play. There's a difference of 2 seconds between the shot clock and the game clock. Serrano puts it up. It's out. Rebound control by the White Shirts. Last shot time for Santa Ana. Pero magmamadali sila to score. Let's see. And they don't. Harvey Salvador with 9 seconds to go. Serrano is open. 4 points for Serrano. 2 seconds to go. They almost got a steal. 1 second to go. I don't think it will count. I don't think so. Hindi umabot sa oras. But we'll check on our instant replay that last shot by Moski. But I don't think it will count. Tingnan natin yung huling attempt. We're gonna show you the game clock and we're gonna show you if Moski's layup is still in hand. But I don't think so. On this end of the second quarter, the score stands at 37-30. Okay. Pakita natin ating mga first or rather second quarter highlights. Ayan, 3-point shot. Ito yung si Ignacio na ipasok ng tira. Here's a drive inside the paint, the finger roll. And also, Balahadja with a stretch. Ito naman yung 3-point shot para sa Florida Blanca. That's Harvey Salvador. Those are some of the highlights of the first half. Our score stands at 30 for Santa Ana United and 37 for ABE ABE King Panluyong Florida Blanca. One half is over, second half coming up. Dito lang sa Delta Cup. Halftime score natin, 30-37. Lamang po ang ABE ABE King Paluyong Florida-Blanca ng 7 puntos after 1 half of play. Let's take a look at our first half highlights. Of course, yung 3-point shot na yan. Yung hook shot ni Sean Muski. Also have this jumper by Raymond Ignacio. Also have this great pass inside. Ay pasok yan ni Troy Lupto. That finger roll by Balahadja. 3-point shot from the left quarter court by Harvey Salvador. And of course, yung Serrano fast break finish. Those are some of the halftime highlights. And ipakita natin direct ang ating mga leading scores for both squad. For Santa Ana, Raymond Ignacio has 8. Alain Balahadja with 7. Vince Suliman has 6. Para naman sa Florida Blanca, Kurt Reyes at 6. Harvey Salvador at 5. And Kerwin Manansala has 4. So, these are some of the halftime highlights and sidelights. Of course, in just a few minutes, magsisimula na po ang ating second half. Napaka-importante po dito sa Santa Ana na makabuslo sila ng ating 4-3 win-loss record. Still, we're live at the GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Newly renovated nung pandemic. At kita nyo naman, bagong flooring from Denmark. Kaya masarap manood. At syempre, kung nanonood kayo online, anywhere in the world, tutok lang kayo sa facebook.com/Pampanga PIO o Pampanga Public Information Office. Let's see the lineups for Santa Ana. We have Peña. Siya nga pala, yung YouTube and Facebook natin, Pampanga PIO, and also at Sinag Liga TV. Lloyd Peña, we have Miranda, we have Balahadja, we have Ison Villa, and also Nathaniel Santiago, 5 to the floor for Santa Ana. Para naman sa Florida Blanca, we have Harvey Salvador, Shaq Urina, we also have Clyde Alquero, we also have Kerry Manansala, and we also have number 26, that's Bert Layo. Third quarter action underway. 7 to shoot, 3-point shot from the left quarter court. At pumasok yan para kay Kerwin Manansala. And now he has 7. 40-30 is the count. Here's the lob pass inside. 10 to shoot, walang mapuntahan. Baseline. Dalawa sumalubong. Pinayong na nila yung natumba. Si Santiago hits the deck. Harvey Salvador now with the ball. Can't shoot a 3 instead. Low post play. Did not materialize. Nilabas muna kay Harvey. They still have 13 seconds on the shot clock. Screen provided by Layo. Upstairs, Layo was smothered. 8 to shoot right down the baseline. We have a foul. Give it up. It's going to be a foul by Nathaniel Santiago. That's a defensive illegal cylinder foul. Second personal yan para kay Nat Santiago. Nice pump fake. Layo converts. 8 points now for Bert Layo. 42-30. It is a 12-point lead right now. Para sa Florida Blanca. Balahadja. About to shoot. Here's a 3-point shot from the right quarter court. Wala. Ibang control for the green shirts. Manansala turns around. Goes right. 3-point shot. Pasok yan para kay Shaq Urina. And Urina now has collected 9 points. And so far, this is the biggest lead for Florida Blanca, 45-30. Take a look at this highlight for you. A pump fake by Layo. Converts. Of course, a 3-point shot ni Shaq Urina. Timeout on the floor, 30-45 lamang ang Florida Blanca. Okay, tingnan natin naman yung mga nag-message sa atin dito sa Pampanga PIO social media page. Nagpapabate si Arian Lacson at si Arkin Tungol. Also have Philip Manyalag and Rodet Ocampo Marata. Maraming salamat sa mga 600 plus viewers na nakatutok ngayon sa ating first game of 5 ng Delta Cup Sunday. Javi Salvador, the love pass. That's too much. Turnover for the green shirts of Florida Blanca. Ball will go back to Santana. They down by a 15-point margin. Exactly 8 minutes left. 2 minutes gone by in this third quarter. Miranda has been silent. Peña for three. Challenge and missed. Nice drop pass. Nice pump fake. Balahadya. 9 points for Alain. Top scoring for Santana Unite. 45-32. And now the white shirts are pressing the ball carrier. Javi Salvador crosses the 8-second line promptly. Waits for his teammates. Binigay kay Shaq. Shaq Corina momentarily open. He hit 1-3 earlier. And this time he fails. Layog getting the offensive rebound. Fresh 14 for the green shirts of Florida Blanca. Salvador goes wide. Salvador pops out the jumper. It's no good. Battle for the rebound. Layog tips it out. Won't work. And the ball goes out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa Santa Ana. Ganun katindi ang mga youth action here. Ha? Napakabilis na pace. Balahadya, one-handed. It rattles in. And Balahadya now has chipped in 11 points. First player in double figures for this ball game. 45-34. Salvador. 12 to shoot. 10 on the shot clock. Picked by Alquero. Manansala gives it up. Harvey with 4 to shoot. Harvey, bingable. He was fouled upstairs. Very creative movement there para kay Harvey Salvador. Tingnan natin to. Against two defenders, fishing expedition. Nag-foul doon si Ison Villa. His second personal. Pumasok ang unang tira ni Harvey Salvador. And Harvey now has 6 points. Make that 7. 47-34. Time remaining 6 minutes and 33. Again, nakapunin yung call. Ryan Paro doing the call. Game 1 of 5. The next 4 games will be covered by Penelope Wilhelmia. Starter step. Whoops, may foul. Tatawagan. It will be against Kyle Arquero. His second personal. Tingnan natin yung huling instansya. Ito yung side step. Maniagos nowhere to go. So that's going to be a blocking foul on Arquero. Thank you so much for that slow-mo replay. Papasok si Ignacio. Uupo muna si Peña para sa Santa Unite. Shot clock 14 seconds. Santana will inbound from the sideline. Villa drives. Top shot! Hoy! Nakahanap ng puwang si Ison Villa. Now has 5 points. 47-36. The lead is 11. Alley-oop play did not materialize. Nice tap there by Ignacio, but it will stay for the green shirts. Here's the jump shot. That's short. He gets it right back. Instead, a layup scored. Shaq Corina once again. And Balahadya has no choice but to give up that foul. Take a look at this. Off the rebound, umangat. May kasama pang foul. Shaq Corina now has 11 points. Make that 12. Leading goal scorers for this ball game. 49-36. The lead is 13 now, or rather 50-36. We're gonna check the score in a moment. Balahadya, hang time move. It prevailed. It prevailed. At matatawagan ay si Bert Layog. That will be his third personal foul. Great hang time by Balahadya. A big guy can hang it long. Look at that. Power play with tenacity. In full display. So, okay, binago na nila yung score. It's 50-38. Ayun. Yan ay ating official score. Yan, ay in-announce ngayon ni Ram Valit. Ating Mr. Valido ng Sinag Liga Asia. Missed by Balahadya on that bonus free throw. And they're still trailing by 12 points. We're talking about the Wildcats of Santa Ana. Florida Blanca comfortably ahead by a dozen. Baseline drive. Sapal. Livilla. At ito na si Maniago. Corner shot for Ignacio. Book it. 10 points for Ignacio. Ooh, there is an offensive foul. Unnecessary contact there. Tinawagan ng offensive foul. But bago yan, look at that picture-perfect jump shot by Ignacio. Second personal on Shaq Rina. Balik ang bola sa white shirts. Balahadja, clobbered. At ito na ang Florida Blanca. Orina going all the way. Jose, no, he drops it up to a wrong guy. And Balahadja leaving him unmolested. 15 points for Alain. And Alain will be called for a warning for a delay of the game. And the 4-minute 45 mark of the third quarter. Green shirts now with a possession. They're now trailing by 8. Oh, I'm sorry. They are ahead by 8. Itong Florida Blanca. Shakurina. Dribbles to his left. Low post. Spins. Turns. The hook shot short. Rebound. Pinagtatalunan. Last touch by the green shirts. Babalik ang bola sa Santa Ana. Here it comes. Ooh. Maniago. Trap. Labas kay Balahadja. This is just an 8-point game. Outside pass. Maniago. Right down the baseline. The spin. The turn. The drop off. Balahadja moves out. 6 to shoot. Balahadja 20-footer. Air ball. Ron David checks in. And likewise, Kurt Reyes checks in for both squads. Uupo muna si Balahadja. At uupo muna si Shaq Orina. At babalik si Aldrin Serrano. Exactly 4 minutes left in this third quarter. Neither team in penalty. Both teams have 3 team fouls apiece. Ito na si Manansala. Brings up the letter. Manansala on the right wing. Binigay kay Harvey Salvador. Signaling play. A lob play. 10 to shoot. There's a pick provided. Jump shot by Salvador. Miss a 3-pointer. Santa Ana on the break. Here it comes. Ignacio misses. And a rebound control for the green shirts. Only one crack at time for Santa Ana. On the other end, Serrano to Salvador. Bounce pass. Oh! Erased by David upstairs. Kurt Reyes walang mapuntahan kundi siya'y nasa palan. Harap-harapan ni David. Take a look at this slow-mo replay. Towering block by Juan David. Upo muna si Kurt Reyes. Alquero checks in for the green shirts of Florida Blanca. Time down to 13 seconds on the shot clock. Nalito na si Salvador. Moves out. 10 to shoot. Baseline drive for Manansala. The drop off. 6 to shoot. Nilabas muna. Serrano momentarily open. 3-point shot on its way. A failure. Rebound. Batted away. Back to Serrano and Florida Blancans. Serrano. Oh, great rejection of from behind by Ignacio. Ignacio couldn't get it. But Maniago and the rest of Santa Ana will get back the possession. Nonetheless, they still have 19 seconds on the shot clock. Exactly 3 minutes remaining in this third. I don't know why the shot clock is not moving. Ayun, kumalaw na. Mga 5 seconds delay yun. May shot by Ison Villa. Whoa! Ooh, tayag. He pushed his defender away. That's too much. He could have just umbrella that defense, but his body followed him. And tayag will be called for his second personal foul. That shot will be active shooting, so 2 free throws there for Vincent Soliman. This is the first free throw. So far, Vincent Soliman has 6 points. Make that 7. 50-43. 2 minutes and 38. Medyo napigil ang scoring. Medyo bumaba ng konti. Medyo nagdidepensahan ang bawat kupunan dito. Serrano from the free throw line. Moves out on top of the key. 9 to shoot. Serrano makes his move right down the baseline. The one-handed. It's no good. Batted for the rebound. Nakuha pa rin ng Florida Blanca. Fresh 14. Batted away. Steal. Ison Villa back dribbles it. That's too much. Counter steal by Salvador. Salvador against Villa. He scores. 9 points now for Harvey. Exactly 2 minutes left in this third quarter. 52-43. Soliman. 3-point shot. It's good. It's good. Maniago drills it to 3. And we have a double foul. Let's see that again in slow-mo replay. Ito yung tira. At meron double foul. So, malamang matatawagan ng double foul IC. Pakinggan natin si Ram Valid. Who's the double foul?
Double foul on number 2 IC. That's his second personal. 14 fouls. And number 24, that's Tayag.
Okay. Malinaw. Si Tayag ang tinawagan ng foul para sa Florida Blanca. At si Villa yung tinawagan naman para sa Santa Ana. Both of them had 3 personal fouls. Thank you very much, Ram Valid, our venue announcer, for that. 52-46. 1 minute and 43 remaining in the third quarter. Serrano. Crossover. Drives hard to the hole. Has an opening. 6 points for Aldrin Serrano. 54-46. This is going to be a good dogfight here. From the baseline. Drive by Ignacio. Triple team. Taken away. 3-on-1 fast break. It will be a finish. First basket for Glenn Gregorio, and the lead is back to 10. Florida Blanca 56, Santa Ana 46. Take a look at this last fast break finish. We have a ceasefire. Let's get right back to the ceremony action here at the BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. First game of 5 of our Delta Cup featured game. Santa Ana United versus ABE ABE PANYULONG Florida-Blanca. Florida-Blanca 56, Santa Ana 46 is our scoreboard. A minute and 15 left in our third period. Box 1 play now for the white shirts. And that was almost telegraphed. Here's the drive by Maniago. Oh, using the left hand. 5 points now. 5 instant points for Maniago off the bench. And look at Maniago. Talagang dinidikitan niya si Serrano. Sticking like glue. Lopez moves out. There's a pick provided. Lopez with a drop pass. Alquero. Pump fake. Rejected by Javid. 39 ticks to go. Maniago will bring downtown for the white shirts of Santa Ana. Maniago momentarily open. Pass it out to Soliman from the left quarter court. Misfires. And the rebound control for the green shirts. Fast break it over. Serrano will challenge 2 defenders. Serrano reverse, no good. Tip in, won't work. Batted away out of bounds. And Santa Ana wants clarification. The ball could have been Florida-Blanca, but they want to challenge that call. And they're going to use it on the 20.2 mark on the third quarter. They will utilize the coach's challenge. Let's see that last bit of action in slow-mo. Here's the shot off the rebound, off the tip. And, okay. So after the review, it will be Santa Ana United. The challenge was successful. Santa Ana now with 15 seconds. Last shot time. Almost a foul there, Maniago. Pump fake. Here's, oh, blocked by Ilayo 5 seconds ago. Lopez is up ahead. Yes! That should do it. Third quarter is history. And before we take a break, let's take a look sa ating third quarter highlights of what has been a down the wire or wire to wire finish there for Florida Blanca. This is the last fast break. Lopez with a conversion. Our score, Santa Ana 48, Florida Blanca 58 after 3 quarters to play. Let's review the tournament format again. In this bracket, we have 2 brackets, 10 and 11. Top 8 teams will advance to the quarterfinals round. Top 4 will be twice to beat. Round of 8 ang quarterfinal 1, quarterfinal 2 crossover Group A and Group B semifinals, singles 1 women. Top 2 teams will move to the finals for the best of 3 championship. Third and fourth place will have a third place playoff. Yan ang ating tournament format. Nagmumula pa rin tayo dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Welcome to the payoff period of this game between Santa Ana Unite and ABE ABE King PANYULONG Florida Blanca. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, Ryan Paro. Live po tayo sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. And yours truly, Ryan Paro, doing the call for this ball game brought to you by SLA Sports Production na may kasama pang pag-ibig. Meron tayong foul na tinawagan para kay Raymond Ignacio. Unang foul pa lamang yan in this fourth quarter. Let's review the lineups para sa Santa Ana. We have Gregorio. We have Alquero. We also have Serrano. We also have Tayag. And we also have Lopez. Spread out offense for Florida Blanca. Screen roll play. It did not materialize. Gregorio moves out. A lot of time in the shot clock. 14 seconds. Gregorio makes his move. The spin, the turn, the fake. Nowhere to go. Gives it up to his teammate. Cross-court pass. Serrano couldn't catch it. For the lineup of Santa Ana, we have Ignacio, Balahadja. We also have Villa. We also have Maniago. And Muskin completing the 5 of Santa Ana. The hook shot didn't drop. Villa up fake. Maniago from the corner. 20-footer on its way. Book it. 7 points for Mark Maniago. And look at again Mark Maniago. Dinidikit na naman si Serrano. The layup is not good. Tip in, yes. And that time, Alquero tips it in. 5 points for Clyde Alquero. 60-50. It's a 10-point lead. 8:40 remaining. Here's a 3-point shot. Maniago rims it out. And the rebound controlled by Harold Lopez. The catch. The touchdown by Serrano. 8 points for Aldrin Serrano. Credit half of that basket for the assist by Harold Lopez. 62-50. Sagutan lang dito. Ignacio in and out on his 3-point attempt. Ito na naman ang Florida Blanca. Fast break opportunity is their specialty in the house. The hang time move didn't drop. Could have brought the house down if he made that one. On the other end of the floor, Santa Ana, counter fast break, the hang time. Yes, sir, Balahadja. Consistent performer, 17 points for Alain. 62-52, the lead is still 10 points. Lopez changed the pace. Alquero says it's slowed down. Serrano on the right wing with 12 to shoot. Serrano momentarily open, drive sound on the hole. Laps on the defense, ha? Laps on the defense of Santa Ana. Late rotation. Naiiwan na lang ng libre si Serrano. 64-52. If Santa Ana wants to win this ball game, they need to tighten up the screws on defense. And we have a foul against Florida Blanca. That will be Clyde Alquero's third person. Tita na wala. Libreng-libre si Serrano. Walang nag-close out Walang dumikit. Look at Serrano. Tang out, ha? You know, there are two things, or there's one thing na most common sa mga players na nagtatang out. Either idol nila si Michael Jordan o si Kobe Bryant. Dalawa lang yun. Jumper. Rims out again. Second time around that Ignacio's shot rimmed out. And now Florida Blanca comfortably ahead by 12. Can they make it 14? Nope. Layog tips it in to his teammate. Rejected by Balahadia. That's the third block by Alain. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Down to 5. Lopez. 3 to shoot. Turnover. Let's see if Santa Ana can come back on this 12-point deficit. Tandaan mo na nababa ni Paniago ang bola. Paniago, top of the key. Give it out to Peña. Back to Paniago. Paniago escapes, drives. Ignacio, 20-footer on its way. A failure. Fast break now for Florida Blanca. Once again, Serrano on a home run. 12 points for Aldrin Serrano. Majority of his points coming from inside. The spin, the turn by Villa. It works. 7 points for Ison Villa. 66 to 54. Florida Blanca ahead by 12 points. Another fast break. Alquero tips it in. Wow. And the head coach of Santa Ana, Michael Castro, has seen enough. Lapse in the defense really preventing them to come back. Florida Blanca 68, Santa Ana 54. Take a look at this. Layog fast break finish. Action resumes at the BREN Convention Center. Well, the key for this Florida Blanca's 14-point lead are two things: balanced scoring and fast break opportunities. They're well ahead as far as fast break points is concerned as compared to Santa Ana. And now they are enjoying a 14-point lead, 68-54. Under 6 minutes remaining in this basketball game. Peña tumira ng 3-point shot. Pumasok. Believe it or not, this is just a first field goal of Lloyd Peña. He has 3 points. He's normally averaging 9 points per game. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Almost a turnover there. Soliman dives for it. And we have a kick ball by Florida Blanca. Ball possession will go to Santa Ana. Take a look at this last bit of action slow-mo. Peña with a 3-point heave. His very first field goal of the ball game. 11-point deficit for Santa Ana. Kaya pa yan. Alley-oop play, yes, 5-point swing. 5-point swing for Santa Ana. Ison Villa now has 9 points. 68-59. Salvador. Sabi ng coach ng Florida Blanca, head coach Vincent Ma, huwag tayong magpakampante. Do not be overconfident. Santa Ana can come back. Just like that, they have a 5-0 run. 5 on the shot clock. Salvador lets it fly from 3-point country. A failure. Battle for the rebound. Nakuha ng white shirts. Peña trapped from the baseline. Nakuha ni Ison Villa. Brings up the letter. Villa one-on-one against two defenders. Taken away. Oh, not quite. Soliman with a counter steal. Maniago. Peña open. 3-point shot. It's out. Soliman rejected by Layog. 10 seconds. Maniago puts it up. It's good. 7-0 run by Santa Ana United in the last minute and a half. Maniago has just registered 9 points. And this jump shot by Maniago propels Florida Blanca to call a timeout. 68-61. Actions now beginning to perk up because of the 7-0 run by Santa Ana. 7-point lead now for Florida Blanca. So make no mistake about it. Santa Ana can come back. Serrano will bring it downtown. They need to recycle. They need to rejuvenate their offense. Serrano, there's a pick by Manansala. Serrano nakalusot. Puts it up a tough shot. Won't bite. Gregorio momentarily open. South for three. He banks it out. Rebound controlled by Peña. Peña binigay kay Santiago. Peña says, let's slow down. This is just a 7-point game. Anything can happen here from here on in. Peña is open again from three. It's no good. From the rebound, it's out of bounds. Ison Villa runs out of space. Babalik ang bola sa Florida Blanca. Let's check the quarter scores. It started at 13-18 for Florida Blanca and then 37-30. Now it's 48-58. We now stand at 68-61. Serrano, starter step, drives hard to the hole. No. A bit too strong that time. Meron tayong push. It's going to be on Santiago. That will be his third personal foul. Only the second team foul for Santa Ana. One team foul for Florida Blanca. Our next game, Lubao is ready. It will be covered by Penelope Wilhelmia from games 2 to 5. Serrano moves left, spins, turns, fade away. It bounces out. Rebound controlled by Ison Villa. 20 pa ito, 7-point lead. We still have 3 minutes to go. Soliman. Outside. Here it comes. 3-point shot. It's good. It works. 12 points for Mark Maniago. What a time for him to explode. 4-point game. Florida Blanca and Santa Ana. 4 points separating these two ball clubs. And we have a foul against Soliman. And Vincent Soliman will be called for only his first personal foul. Three minutes remaining in this basketball game. Whoops! Oh, offensive foul. That's an offensive foul. And that's a big blow to the cause of Florida Blanca as Kerwin Manansala gives Santa Ana a new lease of life. Important possession now for Santa Ana. Peña wide open for three. Rims out. Layog clears the board. Push a little bit to Soliman. Offensive foul by Layog, and Layog can't believe it. And Layog will be called for a technical foul. And if that's a technical foul on Layog, he's out of the game. That will be his fifth foul. That will be his fifth foul. Oh. And Layog has some words from referee Dennis Escaros. He's out of the game. 5 fouls for Layog. Big blow to the cause of Florida Blanca. And suddenly they're in a brink of penalty situation with 14 fouls. Because of his overreaction at last foul. And the coach of Florida Blanca has some words from our officials. You want to explain why? Let's see that again. Here's the 3-point shot. Umalog from the rebound. Layog has it. Okay. He has the rebound. He bumped. Oh, okay. And there's the referee's call for a foul. And Layog, look at the reaction of Layog. He cannot believe it. And Layog is done for the day. He has 8 points, pulled down 4 rebounds, and he has 2 shot blocks, but he's out with 5 personal fouls. Peña for the technical free throw. It's no good. "14 seconds on the shot clock. Here it comes. Peña, open 3. Long, rebound, nakuha ng white shirts. Nice save by Vincent Soliman. And now Florida Blanca's turns to challenge the last call. And they're going to use it. This coach's challenge with 2 minutes and 35 in the fourth quarter. We're going to see that on the last bit of action slow-mo. Yes. So tingnan natin kung sino yung last touch talaga. The referees will decide. Florida Blanca challenged that call. Here's the rebound. Soliman has it. Did it save it on time? He batted away by Lopez. They thought that after the save, it also hit the foot of Soliman, but the referees will decide who will have the last, or who will have that important possession. So the referees will decide now. They're now checking at the angle of that last replay. All right. Okay. The referees decide it will be Florida Blanca. That means the challenge was successful. 2:33 left in this ball game. All important possession for Florida Blanca. This is just 4 points. Lopez. It's a foul on Soliman. Vince Soliman will be called for his second personal foul. And Santa Ana now has 14 fouls, 15 to shoot. Here's the inbound. Gregorio, 10 to shoot. Heads up play now, there's a pick. Gregorio drives, spins, turns, fakes, nowhere to go, gives it up outside, 5 to shoot, back to Gregorio. Gregorio has it, dribble drive. Hang time move by Gregorio, no good, 1 second on shot clock, he's down. He's down on the floor hard. And the referee whistled a foul simultaneously. And they're gonna review it. They're gonna review it. They're gonna review that last foul. Let's take a look. Here's the drive. I don't think there's a hard contact. That should be a foul on Vince Soliman. It is a personal foul on Vincent Soliman. That will be his third personal. Oh, correction, it's fourth already. So, importanteng possession po ito para sa Florida Blanca. Important point production. This is just a 4-point game. First free throw for Gregorio. It's good. Glenn Gregorio so far has 3 points to his credit. 3 points. Missed the second. And with this time remaining, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Twilight Zone. Listen. There you go. Last 2 minutes. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Here's Maniago. The lap pass inside the paint. Tap it out. It will stay with the backyard of Santa Ana with 5 to shoot. Balahadja checks in. Soliman will be checked back to the bench. 5 on the shot clock. All important possession for Santa Ana. They're just down by 5. They're looking for a cutter. Oh, they could. Balahadja, he missed the shot. He missed the shot. He is open. Oh, what a heartbreaker there for Balahadja. Libreng-libre, umalog lang ang tira. First personal foul on Maniago, and both teams now in penalty situation. And from here on in, this will be a battle of free throw conversions. Whoever makes the free throw wins, and Raymond Ignacio checks back in for Santa Ana Unite. Alquero, first free throw. It's good. Alquero, yes, second free throw is good. A minute and 35. The all-important possession now for Santa Ana. Ignacio, 71 to 64, 7-point game. They need to score. Maniago lost it. Pass break for the Guichets. Gregorio go all the way. Yes! 73 to 64. A minute and 17 remaining. Florida Blanca can sense the victory here. But Santa Ana needs to score. They have been silent for a minute now. Maniago. Here's Ignacio. 10 to shoot. Balahadja has been silent. Long two. No soak that time. Rebound. Florida Blanca. 53 seconds. They can smell victory now with 50 seconds to go. If they score this basket, this will be the final nail of the coffin for Santa Ana. Gregorio, 9 to shoot. Down to 7, down to 5. Lopez extricates, drives hard to the hole. No. And the ball will still go to Florida Blanca, only leaving 2 seconds on the shot clock. Just 2 seconds. This will be a quick heave. Bounce pass, Serrano has it, puts it up. Yes! Is that counted? No count. No count. It's the shot clock violations. And we're gonna have a ceasefire. Tatawag ang timeout ng Florida Blanca, 73 to 64. We shall return. Back to live action. Game reset. Both teams in penalties. Santa Ana has no more timeouts to call. Florida Blanca has 2 more. Now, important possession for Santa Ana. Are they going to inbound on the front court or the back court? Okay, they get inbound on the back court. 31 seconds. Desperate measures now for Santa Ana. They almost blew it. They almost blew that possession. Bola pa rin ng Santa Ana. 18 on the shot clock, 24.6 in the game. (16 to shoot. Reverse, yes! That's Lloyd Peña, 5 points. We have a foul from the backcourt. At the foul ang matatawagan ay si Ignacio. Penalty situation, that's the second personal foul by Raymond Ignacio. Here we go, Gregorio will shoot 2 free throws. It's good. Big basket, Glenn Gregorio. 6 points now in the ball game. 74 to 66. It's good. 75 to 66. With 17.5 in just a moment. Should Florida Blanca win this ball game, we're going to choose our best player. Ignacio 3, no. 10 seconds. 9 seconds remaining. Alquero and the rest of Florida Blanca seal the victory. Final score, 66 Santa Ana and 75 points for Florida Blanca. And Florida Blanca will improve their record. They are one of the top teams in this tournament. And for Santa Ana, they're gonna drop to 3 wins and 4 record. And in just a moment, i-interview natin ang best player of the ball game. So from the get-go, nakita natin ang consistency ng Florida Blanca. Final score natin, 66 Santa Ana Unite and 75 for ABE ABE Florida Blanca. Our best player of the ball game is Aldrin Serrano. Okay. Let's interview now with Aldrin Serrano. Pakilala ko lang sa inyo. Ating best player of the ball game si Aldrin Serrano with 12 points. Aldrin, medyo slow ang first quarter nyo, no? 18 points, 13 kalaban. Pero paano nyo na-sustain at ang ginawa nyo depensahan ang kalaban para di sila makascore ng 70 o more?
Sinasabi ng coach namin na kailangan lang daw namin ibigay lahat ng depensa at focus lang kami sa laro namin. Ayun, bigay lang daw namin 100% namin.
And with this impending win, ay makakabook na kayo sa quarterfinals. Kung sakasakaling makapunta kayo sa semifinals at makakahanap ninyo yung mga elite teams like Apalit or something, or Angeles lalo na still undefeated, ano pang mga game strategies mo para sa'yo ang gusto mo pang ma-contribute para sa cause na Florida Blanca?
Kailangan magdoble sipag pa kami sa ensayo namin.
Alright, medyo mahihayin po si Aldrin Serrano. Ito na ang pagkakataon mong bumati at magpasalamat. Ito ang camera, go ahead.
Binabati ko ang mayor namin sa Florida. At saka sa lahat na sumusuporta sa Florida. At saka kay Boss Darren. Tsaka kay Argen Tungol. Tsaka sa mama ko, sa papa ko, sa mga kaibigan ko nasa likod. Sana walang sawang sumuporta sa amin. Lahat ng taga Florida. Tsaka sa mga kaibigan ko sa Valdez.
O yun, bahay mo naman si Baby. Hello, Baby. Hello.
Ay, kay Giro.
Ayan si Hero. Again, Aldrin Serrano, congratulations. Good luck on your next game. Yan po ang ating best player of the ball game, Aldrin Serrano, with 12 points. Majority of that in the second half of play. Ulitin natin ang final score, 66-75. Nanalo ang Florida Blanca sa Santa Ana. Coming up next, Angeles City Red Warriors versus Level Up Lubao. From games 2 to 5, it will be Penelope Wilhelmina. Sa pangalan po ni Direk Noma Santiago, Direk Mike Nenat, of course, our floor director, Billy, and the hard-working men and women of SLA Sports Production. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, Ryan Parang, nagsasabi muli, sports is life. Always use this for the glory of God. This has been a production of SLA Sports. More Delta Cup. Continue.